Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add and customize text on your Wix website. If you're designing your site with Wix and want your words to really stand out, whether it's a bold title or some stylish body text, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add attention-grabbing headlines and tweak their look so your site matches your vision perfectly. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in and have your Wix web design open, right in the editor. This is your creative playground where anything is possible. If you're already familiar with the basic layout, you'll see the trusty left-hand menu with lots of options. For adding text, you want to select Add Elements. This button is actually your gateway to all kinds of content, images, buttons, galleries, but today we're focusing on text. When you click Add Elements, you'll see a variety of choices pop up. Find the section labeled Text. Wix breaks this down for you so you're not overwhelmed. You'll notice options like Add Big Title, Small Heading, and Paragraph. For this example, let's go big and click Add Big Title. Titles are crucial for grabbing your visitors' attention. Think of this as the headline of a newspaper. It's the first thing people see and should communicate what's most important. Now you'll see the title text box appear on your page. If it lands in a spot you don't like, no worries. Just click and drag the box exactly where you want it. Wix is super intuitive here. Just grab, drag, and drop until it feels right. If you're building, say, a travel blog, maybe you want that big, bold title right at the top, Wanderlust Adventures. Next, click on your text box and hit Edit Text. This opens up the editing panel. Here's where you type in whatever headline or words you want. Maybe it's your company name, a catchy slogan, or your welcome message. Type it in and already your site starts to feel more you. But let's take this a step further and customize. Wix lets you change the font, and there are dozens to choose from. Pick something clean for professionalism or funky if you want a playful vibe. You can adjust the size too, so your headline becomes bold and eye-catching or more subtle and refined. Don't be afraid to experiment. Play with the color settings to make your words pop against the background or keep things minimal with classic black or white. You can even tweak formatting options like alignment, bold, italics, or underlining. Each of these tweaks lets you build personality into your website. For instance, imagine you're running a bakery. Maybe you go for a handwritten style font in a soft pink to match your cupcakes. Or if it's a tech blog, maybe a sleek modern blue with crisp edges feels just right. Remember, this part might take a few moments as you try out different combinations. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can always come back and update it later. And there you have it. Adding and customizing your text in Wix is honestly that simple. With these steps, you're already well on your way to creating a site that looks and feels uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions or if there's something specific you want to see next. Make sure to subscribe for more easy website building tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.